Welcome back, everyone. Today I'll show you exactly how to create a PayPal payment button on your WordPress site, step by step, so you can start accepting online payments or donations with confidence. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a working payment button right on your site, but you'll also understand each part of the process, making future changes simple and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First, let's cover where you'll find this feature. If you're using WordPress.com with the premium plan or above, or if you're running a modern block theme on WordPress.org along with the official plugin, the process is refreshingly straightforward. What's great about this method is that you won't need any complex coding, and everything happens right in the familiar WordPress editor. Start by opening up the post or page where you want your PayPal button to appear. Once you're in the editor, look for the small plus icon. It's usually found at the top left or within the spot where you're adding new content. Clicking this brings up the WordPress block library. Go ahead and type PayPal into the search field, and you should see the PayPal payment buttons block pop up. If you're on WordPress.com, you may also see a donations block that works similarly. Give either one a click to add it to your page, here where the magic happens. After you've added the block, you'll notice a prompt or link that asks you to connect to your PayPal account. It's important to take your time here and log in using your business PayPal account or the one set up for receiving payments. This connection is necessary because PayPal needs to know where transactions should be sent, and it also helps you design a button that reflects your brand and your specific product, service, or cause. Once you're logged in, PayPal will walk you through setting up your button. You'll be asked to input details like a product name, maybe yoga class registration, or support my podcast, the price you're charging, and the preferred currency. If you're taking donations, you can even allow users to type in their own amount. Completing these fields carefully helps guarantee that funds go exactly where you want them, and it makes the process easier for your visitors. If you ever feel unsure, just think of how you'd want the experience to feel if you were the person making the payment. Clarity and simplicity always win. When you've finished creating your button within PayPal, they'll generate an HTML code snippet unique to your settings. This might look intimidating, but don't worry, you don't have to mess with this code. Simply hit copy on the code, then return to your WordPress editor. In the block you added earlier, look for the spot where you can paste this code. The WordPress block is specifically designed to handle this, so it'll do the heavy lifting of embedding your button for you. Now give your page a quick preview. If everything went smoothly, you'll see a professional-looking PayPal button right where you placed it. Visitors can click it, make payments or donations, and the money drops directly into your PayPal account. It's that easy. If you ever want to adjust the product details, just edit the block and repeat the process. And that's it, you've just added a secure, easy-to-use payment button to your WordPress site without a hitch. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share where you're adding your PayPal button. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step WordPress and payment tips. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website.